grow up there. You see them coming in there, and then it starts growing all new plants.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This video is about Amazon sword plants.
You can see the sword plant there, guys. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see, I've got no glasses on. But it's got two stems growing out from the base. That's how it reproduces itself, and then the stems grow up there. You see them coming in there, and then it starts growing all new plants on them. So there's about 10 new plants there, and they're all grown underwater. So every other sword plant you buy from somewhere, you have to take it home, put it in your water, they grow it immersed, so then it has to die back and regrow. But this one's getting big. I cut all the old leaves off, and then it's growing well. Now it's got shoots. It's been a while since I had one that had shoots, and so you're going to get all new babies. So you just let them grow on there for 2, 3, 4 weeks until they grow some roots, and then you can pick them off, and you have yourself a whole lot of new sword plants. Pretty cool, huh? See 2 stems growing up there, and all new plants, usually 2 on each nodule. So that's like 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So possibility of 12 or 14 plants there. And at $9 each, it's pretty good. Okay. You can see some.
Show the fishes
Yeah.
in
You can see some of the blue Moscows now. Some of them are getting bigger. I think someone else had babies in there because there's small ones in there as well now. Look over here, you can see some small ones as well in the last week or so. So still quite a few in there. Really good. Starting to column. See if I can see. You can see the baby younger male down here. Where'd he go? He's in there. You see him starting to colour up, getting his blue tail and everything. He's looking pretty good. Next generation of males, so. I only have one female left, but the male and that, yeah, I'm just getting him because he looks good. That's what they're the ones that everyone likes, the blue Moscow, but he's like nearly 3 months. Oh yeah, I'm not sure, 2.5 months old. So give him another month or so, and then he'll start breeding with the female. Or he may have already started breeding, because that's, you can see his mummy or auntie at the back there.
Mummy and auntie.
No, only one, the other 2 died. Whether that was from your overfeeding or not, I don't know. But we'll get to try and, where's he gone? I can't see him. My eyes are shocking.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah, there he goes.
There's a little one than the other one. Where's the big one?
He died.
Oh, he died.
Yeah, that's the trouble, they don't live long. But look how many we've got in there now. That's what I was saying. I don't know if you... Anyway, it's a quick update on the sword plant. So it's really good if you feed them well and keep the big root feeders and get healthy. And then look at all those lovely new babies coming on there. Pretty good. Okay guys, thank you. There's a nubius floating there. It's just caught on something. So that's going all right too. Take forever to go. Thank you.
Yeah, hope you like my
Support
video
Lanie's
and
channel. We'll make
subscribe if you're new, and
yeah.
Yeah.
And we'll make a video on how I grow my plants one day.
Okay guys, see ya. Please subscribe and leave comments, and yeah, don't forget to click the notification bell also for more videos. Thank you and bye bye.